I love Exit. I've been with them for about 1.5 years, maybe 2 years. Kevin's phenomenal. Wouldn't ask for a better broker. It's just been a great experience. Convention's great. This dinner's going to be great. Great friends. That's about all I can say. It's just amazing.
I have been with Exit for almost 14 years. I've been with Exit since I started real estate 2 years ago almost, actually. Kevin opened an office up there, and it's been so fun to watch the office grow and to watch Kevin grow. It's been a lot of fun to be part of that. And so I love Exit Realty, and I love Kevin and all that he does for us, all the belief that he has in us. And I've just seen my business get better and better because of the camaraderie and the love that we have for each other here.
I've been with Exit Realty for 8 years now. The experience has been fantastic, and in my experience, it's been a little bit life-changing. The opportunity to grow and to be among this great culture. If you're looking to get into real estate, choose Exit Realty for the training we provide, the mentorship of having somebody that wants you to succeed. And that stems from a fantastic culture here at Exit, and I benefited greatly from.
I've been with Exit for just over 5.5 or 6 years. I actually handle the commercial side for Exit and both offices for Kevin through Success and Advantage, which has been a really, really unique experience. The reason that I feel that it's a good fit, not only for me, but anyone who specifically is starting off in the business, is the ability to have the support, the training, and the culture that we have here at Exit. It by far has been the best opportunity I have had.